for one place. For God's sake, my day. Don't take my pain away from you.
My name is Sine Nene, but of course, if we VIP as emhlabeni, then you get to call me Adama 2000. I am your host with the most, MC with the Bessie. Today we're out here at Signal Hill in Newcastle. We are at the Scenic Picnic Sundays. Sundays are for lovers, guys. So this is how we are spending our Sundays are for lovers. We've got scenic views, some great food, great music, as you can hear. I'm a vibes, I'm Nandi, Yonkinti Osam, Yonkinti Mtaroro. But let us find that out from the audience. But if vibe, for now, you follow me and also follow the Scenic Picnic Table and grab experience on social media. Let me connect it forward to go Antama 2000. Thank you.
No, that one.
Oh, the white one.
This one, you're going to shorter. Yeah, shorter. Yeah, shorter.
Ausine. All right. Ngibona ngathi meeting yabaphathi.
Nice of you to join us.
Yeah, part of our shareholders. Ngiyanibona since chats.
Antama 2000 lapha
ungasezona island.
Asiwona ama 2000.
Angikho right, akusahluleki ngisho eyituleni.
Manje ngoba thina singama 90s ke ufola kuphi ngoba
ngizonzama nje ngiyathanda uku-accommodate abantu so nani ngizobu antweni nani kukhona.
Noma ugokwethu.
No, ngu-antu ama-2K.
Yeah, Coco.
Listen, Scenic Picnic Sundays, ngiphethe abaphathi njengamanje. On my right, I've got Chef Vuyo Gumbi. On my left, I've got Tsebiso. Right? So I'll ask you guys to please introduce yourselves. And then I'm interested in knowing, how did the concept here, Scenic Picnic Sundays, come about? Who came up with the idea first? Listen, I've got a plan. And how did you guys manage to work, like, make things work? Nisha, do what the pot needs to be done for the pot to come out like a chef. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Like it's happening right
yes.
now.
Yes. Come on.
Who came up with the idea first? I don't know.
Like, how did it happen? You guys were just chilling and
let me drink to that.
No.
Okay, drink to that. Were you guys friends? Did you guys work together?
We worked together like on another platform.
Okay,
this one.
not this one. Okay.
On the hiking platform.
On the hiking.
Yes.
Hiker pigs.
Yes.
They win nama awards.
Oh yes. Oh
Yeah,
yes.
just-
Yes.
Definitely.
Yes.
Yes,
You can call me the award winning. Yes.
Kamale award nje nokuthi iphuma phi award.
Youth in tourism.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Category?
Youth in tourism.
Oh,
Yes.
begithi kamalama awards
KZN Youth in Tourism.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So hiker pigs came about and the picnic. Uzash.
No, it was like a collabo because she does the whole nature thing and I do the whole food thing. So we decided to combine the two.
Oh, so like, okay. Mhlawumbe abanye abantu abathanda ukuhike but bafuna ukuhlala phansi.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
usually after hikes we'll sit and then cloud for a while before we hug. So we thought, why not take that vibe and then just bring it into a whole event.
Okay. So let's jump straight to the challenges. I mean, working together. Surely ngisho kuthiwa bina abangani right. I'd like to assume that in business asiboni ngokufana. So ngisho friendship sometimes iyashayiseka because masifike businessini we've got different ideas and we all want to execute our ideas. How do you guys make it work beyond the friendship? As much as we were friends before this, besazana sebenza ndawonye, we now continue with the working relationship, but ngendlela yokuthi we make it a success regardless of us not seeing eye to eye all the time.
I think we always I think we always find gaps. Like if he finds the gaps, he'll fill it. Like if he has to go and fetch somebody, he'll go fetch it. If I see that there's a gap somewhere, I do it, you know. That's the relationship that we have. It's not like there's a specific job that Vuyo has to do. Vuyo is a chef, but also he'll go and do things that I'm supposed to do. Nami, sometimes I'll make ucheke at some point, you know. Yeah, yes. So there'll be things that you're going to eat that you don't know that I made, you know.
Thank you, Zoka.
And I'm not going to brag about it, but we fill each other's vase, because this thing needs to carry on, and we need to make it work.
Okay.
Ukuthi chef, but it doesn't mean this thing mustn't happen because chef. If he has to dig a hole, he needs to dig a hole. So we just make it work like that.
Okay, so Chef Vuyo, the picnic keeps growing steadily, rapidly, because the first time I was here, it was a totally different setup.
Yeah.
Fast forward to 4-5 picnics later, we've got games, we've got sponsors, we've got Heineken on board, we've got an umbrella, Hycopics. How did you get to that part? How difficult or how easy was it to secure funding, to secure collaborations and sponsorships and brands? And what are some of the challenges you are still acquiring along the way, Menzama knock on doors to make this thing bigger and better?
No, when's him?
Duh.
No, it's very tough. Because we've been applying for funding. I think everybody out there is still looking for funding. We've applied in a number of fundings, but we're still letting Scenic Sundays happen without
Regardless of
So we still want funding. We still want imali, girl. We still want imali.
So how did we get to the funding in so far? Because I'm baby steps, but it's fair and with step number 1.
No, it's just common goal. It's common goal. If you have something that you want to achieve, you have a picture and it's okay. Into it manje. In the next whatsoever years when we born isiganje. So what are the steps that you need to take in Klambe to get to that part?
Okay.
So sometimes it will take like years, but not 7 years. Yeah, that's me. Yes. But keep on.
So what method are you using? Proposals?
The Scenic Sundays, it came about because we wanted something that will be budget friendly for people, Last year in 2022 we did the Scenic Picnic Table, which was a little bit more pricey, where you had to dress up, posh and stuff, and you had almost 3 to 5 star course meals, and you had beverages, different types of beverages where you had to taste. So Scenic Sundays, it's more budget friendly. You get to come on a Sunday, you get to chill on a Sunday, you get to have a Sunday course on a Sunday, you get to have karaoke, you get to see Sine, guys. Everybody likes Andoma 2000. And you actually get to chill out, you know. And I remember when we had our first one, we had a meeting there, and we were just like, dude, this is actually quite chilled, because Scenic Picnic Table, we were a little bit under pressure because it's a bit formal. Yeah, it's a bit more formal and lax.
And it's set it up and it's a long table.
Yeah,
intimidating.
And we want it to be so perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. So when Scenic Sunday came, it's so chill, it's relaxed, there's no pressure. And then we thought, okay, no, let's carry on with this, especially because of the economy and everything. So we decided, okay, let's carry on with the Scenic Sundays, and then obviously Scenic Picnic Table will continue next year, 2024.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you guys are speaking of the future. What are your plans looking like for the future? This is my last question. And also please include Scenic Picnic Table and how different it is from the Scenic Picnic Sundays. How often will that happen? How often do we have this one? And going forward, how would you like to improve overall?
I think for now, we have the Scenic Sundays, and then we have the main the picnic table. But they take different like this. So the other one is first Sunday of the month, and then the other one is concert.
Okay, so it's about 4 times.
Yes,
in a year.
4 times in a year.
And
we want people to come to Newcastle. We want people to actually experience in Newcastle. There's people from Johannesburg here today. There's people from Durban here today.
International.
Yes.
Our passport gang, Terminal A vibes.
So we actually want
open to everyone.
Yeah, it's an economical social development like Newcastle, where people actually come to Newcastle, not just pass through as if they're going to Joburg, as if they're going through Mpumalanga to Free State to Durban. Yes. No, we want people to actually stay more. And actually experience Newcastle, what's injani, not just go to these other places, because I know people come to Newcastle to buy a Porto, to go to places like a scrapyard, which is amazing, but we also want people to experience the natural side of Newcastle
All that you
and enjoy it at the same time.
Okay. Yes. Enjoy it. Alrighty, picnickers, it's a wrap from the entire team, myself, Antama 2000, and of course, Osngaye, Abapati, Bomzimbi. Please follow the Scenic Picnic Table and Bev Experience on social media. Needs a pull through every first Sunday of the month. This is where we at Signal Hill, Newcastle. Yeah, socials. It's a wrap. Niputseliweke bekunamahenike nalahlile la ama-bottomless ene beningekho. Na next week, na next month ngizophuthela ngoba ngazi ukuthi hayi ningeke nize. Sundays are for lovers.